What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name's Zach, and I'm one of the many creators here that creates content every single day on this channel. We're bringing you up to speed on the latest and greatest news and information all around the crypto space. Here in September, we've got a ton of things happening with the Ethereum merge, with the Cardano Vassal hard fork, with things happening with Shiba Inu, which you could see on screen related to Shibarium, their layer 2, and just a lot of things happening. We're soon going to have a lot to talk about with ClearCryptos as well. Can't wait to be here even more on this channel and bring you up to speed on the latest. Recently, ClearCryptos just announced their board of advisors, and wow, to say the least. We're going to check that out at the end of this video. But of course, I talk a lot about Shiba Inu on my personal channel here on YouTube, and I wanted to bring you up to speed on a big story that surfaced over the last month or so. Shib Queenie is the head of the Shiba Inu Discord. She moderates it there. She recently said that Shiba Inu could eventually be burning 111 trillion SHIB tokens per year. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about that. Before we do, make sure you hit the like button here, subscribe to this channel if you want daily updates and informational content. If you're new to crypto, this is your one-stop shop. You don't want to miss anything we put out here. Again, every single day we're here for you, bringing you up to speed on the latest news and information. And then we also have tutorial videos if you're brand new, learning the lingo, all of that for you right here on the ClearCryptos educational YouTube channel. So Shiba Inu sitting at the 1309 spot right now at the time of this recording. It might change by the time you watch this, but we have been hovering in this 12 range for quite some time. You go all the way back to June. This is the one-day chart. June 18th, we were down here with 5 zeros and a 7. Since that time, we have just been on a nice upward trend and trajectory here. SHIB has looked really, really strong. One of the strongest altcoins in the last 3 months from a performance standpoint. Now, I want to get into this story. Shibarium Burn. Will the burn remove 111 trillion SHIB coins annually? So with Shibarium documentation expected to come out later this month, investors are eager to see what's in store for the Layer 2 network. Of course, Shibarium is at the crux of all future projects and developments within the SHIB ecosystem. The report notes that Shibarium might integrate a built-in burn portal that would continually remove Shiba Inu coins from circulation. Shibarium may charge a nominal transaction fee or gas fee and use that fee to burn SHIB and reduce the overall supply. Now, this in and of itself is not, in my opinion, a utility, but it does help supply and demand. The utilities that are coming with SHIB are massive, though, with a metaverse coming. They already have a decentralized swap in Shiba Swap. They also have Shiba Eternity, a card game coming. So NFTs, Wellies, a restaurant, which I'm hearing they could be doing more with them in the future. Keep your eye on Shiba TV and what the future of that looks like. I recently had them on my personal channel. So Shiba Inu, they're definitely building in here in a bear market, but a lot of people have been infatuated with burns because, yes, it helps the price in the long term. Not overnight, but if you start burning 111 trillion SHIB coins annually, that will make a huge dent in the overall price. Now, slowly but surely, Shiba Inu has been trending up over the past week, but throughout 2022, I'm super impressed with what we've seen from SHIB. We didn't really know what to expect, right? Because SHIB has never really been through a bear market. But here it is, still ranked in the top 15, ranked number 13, over a $7 billion market cap, and it has not gone anywhere, right? Shiba Inu or Dogecoin, for that matter. They have both hung in there and represented their communities very well here throughout the bear market. In my opinion, SHIB has done a lot more than Doge in 2022 in terms of developments, but I think both will be here for the long term and here to stay. But we'll keep our eye on Shibarium documentation, see if they have anything in there about burns. I know the community would love it, but that's what I've got for you here in this video. Thank you so much for popping in. I appreciate it. At the end, though, I wanted to bring it into this. ClearCryptos.com, No Trust Act. Come on over and check us out. New to crypto? Start here. Look at all the learning material right here for you. And this is your educational one-stop shop. No Trust Act. make sure you go through the website. Look at some of the things that ClearCryptos wants to do. It includes obviously the educational element, a trading platform like we've never seen before, and a complete rehaul of how we imagine a crypto project to be in terms of mergers and acquisitions and strategic partnerships, and really reaching out and getting those 95% of people not in crypto in through a multitude of ways. And I can't wait to break down all of those ways for you very, very soon. And that advisory board is now public. And wow, to say the least, I mean, this thing is unbelievable. Under company tab here, you can see goes over to board of advisors. I encourage you to check this out. Super, super impressive lineup, to say the least. And I'll let you come over here and read through them. ClearCryptos.com. Stay locked in, everybody, because it's going to be a fun period here very, very soon. Thank you so much for popping in, guys. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.